Only thing I had was some change for a single cigarette. My nigga acting funny with me, I told him that's a bet. Never see me sweat, that's some shit a nigga can't do. Help me chase a check, that's some shit a nigga ain't do. All by myself, in the studio tryna make a play. Bitches on my line, but I can't talk until I make this cake. Watch what you fucking say, you might be talking to a Jake. Watch that nigga close to you, you might be hanging out with snakes. It ain't gonna always look good, nigga. You ain't gonna always be Versace down, and
nah,
you ain't gonna always be like that.
It ain't really about that though,
Get
bro.
that out your head. It ain't gonna be like that, man. But this is what I'm gonna say. But this is what the thing is, you still gotta understand your journey is what people gonna see. You know what I'm saying? They gonna see the day when you was dirty as fuck. They gonna see them day when you was stressed the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? They gonna see all that. So when they see the day you come up, they gonna believe it. Nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. I don't be wanting to put out the perception like I'm something like I'm cap or something. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, we ain't never gonna do that. Real niggas, that ain't the way we move. You feel me? That ain't the way we move, bro. And, you know, when it's time to put that shit on, nigga, you gonna put that shit on.
Like this FMO right here.
Yeah, man, you gonna
family
put
members on. This on mine.
Where they can get that from, man? Come on, man.
Members only, man. Y'all go check that out. You know what I'm saying? You J Will or FMO J Will on Facebook.
So y'all,
they got a store and all kind of shit.
And that boy clean too.
Clean, look at that.
Homegrown shit. Man, y'all go
look.
support the shit, man. Support that FMO. Man, that's shit. That's official shit. When you see real niggas, and that boy clean too. You be able
this how I
am.
I keep it real. All right, you got a clothing brand, you from my city, huh? I know I ain't got no outfit to wear.
Yeah, I'm finna go tell
Let me hit up one at home. Let me see what they gonna do for me. Instead of not having pride, like man, I ain't no nigga for shit.
Hey man, that mean everything, man. When a nigga can see, that's what I preach to a nigga. It don't cost nothing to keep it above.
That's what I wanna do.